Hi everyone, this is Jan. I'm out here back on the road. As you can see, it is really bad out here. Bella, say something. Bella, say hey. Yes, we are here. See some people cleaning up their car instead of walking the middle of the street because the sidewalk, as you can see, we cannot walk on it. And you can see the flakes is still coming down. Snowflake is still coming out. If I get out the way, this person can pass. So this is what I'm doing today again. I'm going to the store. As I said, we can drive into this type of weather. More safe walking because it's a walking distance, so we can walk. The car is stuck. Kind of, all along. Bella, you're not saying nothing. You're just silent. You can say something too.
Hi guys. How's everyone doing? This feels much easier. Remember to like, share, subscribe. And tell a friend to tell a friend. Yes, you all know the code.
Yeah, so that's what we out here doing today. Again, out here in the snow is coming down. Okay. The road looked better than yesterday, but the sidewalk is still bad, as you can see. If you cannot walk on the sidewalk, so we still have to walk in the street. We're still in the street working with all these traffic coming. Oops. So the side street, I'm going to see if we can go on the side street. Ow! Let's try cross over. Yeah, so let's try see if we can walk on the side street instead of walking out to the main road. As you can see, kind of clear here. The side street is like this. The side street is like this. This is one, maybe we can turn off around here. Let me go through here. Cut it down like a bit shorter. Walk through this like small entrance. And see what it look like. Yeah, it seems like, yeah, it's stuck. It's skidding. The truck is skidding. It is really bad. As you can hear this sound. Okay. We try to get around this, So you can see, it is bad. As you can see that. Like, all can go through this, you know. He's stuck. So keep going. So that's all it is bad in Jersey. And we're about to get some more today again. See the whole street here. Sorry for that interruption with my hand and get in the way. See the street, those cars stuck. Yesterday some store closed. The supermarket what we went yesterday, they closed certain time yesterday. But what time they close up? Again, 5 o'clock. In the afternoon they close. So we really get a bad snowstorm. So I have emergency vehicle out on the end of this block. Out there. And it is really bad. We have to be careful how we walking. We are walking in all of this. As far as you can see. You just so silent, not even a word.
I'm finding the snow. I want to make a snow angel.
Lay down in the snow. You want to make a snow angel, that's what you guys to do. You can see all these cars. Wow, I'm sliding. This is the hotel. Hi, how are you doing? Yep. We try to be careful to get around. This is really, really bad. So they're cleaning up. Ow! Down over there. Yes, that's all we get. The snow so bad. We get it so bad, and we expect some today. As I can see the cloud, dark.
Isn't they say January and February is the worst month for snow or cold?
Sometimes we don't get it. And that is a lie too. I don't believe in that. See, this street, and clear, this is the main street. so I was here again on the sidewalk. Oh, that. It is really, really, really bad. Oh my God, why driving like that?
You just smell his tire.
Oh yeah, I do. It's cold, but it's not so much cold. You see the flake coming down. Yeah, emergency vehicle coming. This is a supermarket over here. Yeah. Side street over there. Say hi! Say hi! Say hi to the camera! Yes, this is what it's doing. This is the sidewalk. So this small section is clear water. So we have to walk through here. Woo! Oh my God! Oh! Whoa! Take it up there. You can take it up there.
Hell no.
Try.
Me?
Yes, try it.
No.
Try it.
Let me double talk.
Go ahead, jump. Don't drop. Might break my stuff. Don't drop. Don't drop. There you fall. I'm going to laugh. Okay, my turn. Hold up. Wait for me. I can't swim. Hi. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. No, Lord Jesus. Okay. All right. I can come through. Yeah, this is a sidewalk. We cannot walk there. Everywhere totally backed up. Let's see, do what? Raise on you? You can't walk there or you're gonna go through there. I'm not walking there. I'm just taking my time to go through here. You want to? You stuck? You stuck? Let me see you. Look at her. Look at her. Look at Bella. Bella gets stuck. Look at Bella. Look at Bella. Look at her clothes. Go.
Okay.
Try walk at the side to the truck in front of you. Oh, the sidewalk there clear. The sidewalk there clear. I'm going this way. It's clear. I can see it. So, oh, Jesus, have mercy on me. No. Hold up. Wait for me. I have to. It's clear, but look at this. Now I have to go through this. Whew. That interruption with my yes. I say it is bad, it is bad. It is bad. I'm trying to put my hand in front. That's the camera. So. Yeah.
Sorry.
We can't walk on the sidewalk over there. We don't have no sidewalk to walk in. Go, go, go. Try to get out that way. I have to go inside that same store. You know what I'm going, Rose. Huh? You're in my way. No. You're going to use water again? I'm going into this plaza before I go somebody next door where I'm going. I'm gonna cut this one to reach to the store, right?